there's good data and bad data, and we were really collecting bad data. So for an example, if an operator would say they were running the machine and then when they went home they forgot to press pause, we'd then come into the next day and the machine could have been running what we think is 16 hours when really it was just 8.
One of the issues they were facing was the reliability of their data. Because operators may have had to walk to another location to go and fill in some documentation or complete some online forms, sometimes that meant that the data wasn't live and sometimes wasn't as reliable as it could be. So certainly shop floor data capture systems and live capturing of data direct from machinery meant that was pretty low-hanging fruit for them to be able to get a lot of value out of the system. So because they were already partnered with Seeky, it was a pretty clear choice to expand their relationship with that supplier.
Establishing those and driving them efficiencies is important, both for internal margins so that we can continue to invest, but fundamentally ensuring that we're adding value to our customers. The only way we can do that is by continually driving efficiency. As I say, we can have the best technology in terms of machine tool technology, but you've also got to couple that with how we're organising it, how we're running it, what data we capture for that, and then what continuous improvement activities come out of that. We've turned the project from conception to delivery in less than 6 months. From a grant perspective, I think the funding's come through in a timely manner so that we've been able to pay the suppliers that we've had, i.e. Seeky, for the software that we've adopted. For me, I can wholeheartedly recommend that, and it's fantastic to see that the industry is getting the support that's out there.